Good morning, guys. We had some issues with rats at our chicken coop, so I put hay around the chicken coop for windbreak, like small hay bales, and I had a friend be like, "Man, that might not be a good idea and stuff." So I was like, "Yeah, I guess I see what you're saying for a couple of reasons." I had it close to the coop, so the wood. But the hay could hold the water and actually could rot the wood just because it wasn't like a brand new structure. So it was a hand-me-down that's been great for what it's been for. And so that's one issue. And then the second issue could be because living things might like the hay. Well, we've had like holes pop up in the chicken coop that at first I thought were maybe mice, and I think it was rats living in there. So we went there one of the nice days like a week ago and pulled the hay back, and sure enough we had a few rats in there. And so our chicken coop's about 100 yards from the house or so, give or take a couple. And next thing you know, so we've lived in this house for 4 years. We've had a mouse or two in the house, but then we have cats, outside cats, that have pretty much helped that problem. And so after moving this hay and exposing these rats to the world, next thing you know, there's like a rat in the house. And so this started on Monday, and now this is Sunday. So I killed one rat. Thank God for the shepherd here. I was looking forward to the no dog when all our dogs passed on. But now I think the dog pretty much solidified where we live in the country. We might have dogs. So I foresee picking up poop for a long time. Darn it. But whatever, let's pick on topic. So we were at the store yesterday, picked up some rat traps. And yeah, that's a nice thing. If you haven't really ever noticed them too much and paid too close of attention, you're AKA Victor standard mouse trap, and yeah, the big bad Mojo rat trap. So it's quite different. So I set some little mouse traps up, and the thing was just like popping them off. So he's probably laughing at us, being like, "Ah, sucker!" And so we got that big ass rat trap, and lo and behold, sorry viewers, you might not like this. So keep your eye. If seeing dead things is squeamish, get off the channel now. I mean, just leave this video, because this video sort of sucks. I didn't want to go kill things, but I don't want rats living in my house. I'm not gonna eat this guy or nothing. So, but the rat trap worked great. Yeah. So I'm gonna reset it up again, and hopefully there's no more come in here. But at least for us, we got one more rat, not in my house. And yeah, that was pretty exciting. So the shepherd was going back there a little bit, and Melissa was like, "I don't know, have you looked?" I'm like, "No, I haven't looked yet. We're getting ready to have some friends over and family over for today to have some food." And so we're up pretty early cleaning, and I was getting stuff set up, and next thing you know, I was in the back room and I was checking, and sure enough, Ratatouille is gone.
Part of Ratatouille's family.
Yeah, part of Ratatouille's family. If Ratatouille was here cooking for us, I'd probably let it. But yeah, this guy was just eating holes and things and making a mess. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and hope your day is nice.